Okay, so we're going to do an energy assessment visualization meditation technique. So go ahead and get comfortable for me. If you want to take glasses off, that's great. Shoes, whatever works for you. And we're going to have you close your eyes. And we're just going to start with a breathing technique. So I'm going to count from 10 to 1. I just want you to take a deep breath in and out with each count. And I just want you to let yourself get very relaxed and very calm. And any worries or cares or anything else that you need to let go, we're going to let go during these breaths as well. So here we go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. All right, we're going to breathe first into the edges of your energy. And as you breathe out, we're going to contract your energy into your soul center, which is usually in your abdomen. And I just want you to keep doing that breath into the edges and contracting your energy into your soul space until you feel like you've got it all there in a nice ball that's manageable for you. Good. All right, now we're going to move your full self into that energy as well. So your consciousness, your emotions, your mind, body. So you're fully within that ball of energy. And now you're going to allow your ball of energy and your complete self to move into a safe space. So whether this is the room, whether it's a place in nature, whether it's the moon or the stars or a planet or just a room that's white and empty, just wherever you feel safe, we're just going to let you move your full self, your energy into that room, into that space that's very safe. And now let your energy expand out to where it needs to and come back into its form that it is most comfortable in. And I really want you to observe your energy now. What form did it take? Did it take a specific shape? Is it just energy that's bouncing around like light? Is it like little bullets bouncing around the room? Is it like a blob of energy? What is it shape does it have? And what color is it? And keep in mind, it can be more than one color. There can be parts that are dark colors, parts that are light colors, parts that maybe have no color or translucent. There is no right or wrong here, just know what color your energy looks like. And what parts are what color and what parts are another color. Let's take a look at the denseness of your energy. Is it really light, like clouds? Is it really heavy, like rocks or concrete? Does it feel like maybe a feather? Or does it feel liquid, like water? Does it feel like fire, like it's burning? Right, spend a couple more minutes just really observing your energy and getting to really know all the different pieces from the inside out and the outside in, from all the edges. Ask your energy to move for you so you know how it's supposed to move and how it feels when it moves. Ask it just to do its normal everyday activities so you know what it looks like, what it feels like, what it sounds like. Ask it to show you what it looks like when you're sleeping. Does it stay with you or does it go someplace else? How about when you're working? Ask it to show you what it looks like when you're working and how it acts and how it moves. How about when you're having fun or enjoying life? What does it do then? How about when you're doing self-care? You're giving yourself the things that you need to maintain yourself. What does it look like? Notice the differences between the different times in your life so you know what they look like. All right, we're going to ask your energy to split into two. We're going to ask part of your energy, half of your energy to stay as it is right now and what's normal for it. And we're going to ask the other part of your energy to show you what it looked like 3 weeks ago. And I want you to compare the differences between the two. How has your energy changed in the last 3 weeks? All right, we're going to ask the part of your energy that's normal as it is today. We're going to ask that to stay that way. The part that we asked to change to 3 weeks ago, now we're going to ask it to change to what it looked like yesterday. And then compare those two and notice the similarities and the differences. All right, now we're going to ask your energy, the half, to stay normal. We're going to ask the other part of your energy to show us what it's going to look like tomorrow. And I want you to compare similarities and differences. Perfect. All right, we're going to ask your energy to come back all together as whole and as normal. And I want you to ask your energy to show you any places within itself, as it is right now, that need to be changed. Maybe those are the things that were different when you looked at what it's going to look like tomorrow, but maybe they weren't. Is there something that needs to be fixed? Is there something that needs to be removed? Is there something that needs to be a different color, a different shape, a different density, a different texture? And if your energy shows you something that needs to be changed, with your intention, ask it to change to what it should be or what it needs to be to best serve you. If it doesn't change for you, ask it what it needs to change. It knows. Maybe time, maybe it just needs some time to adjust because you've asked. Maybe it just needs time for it to make the change. Maybe if it needs a different color, you need to have that color on you. Maybe it needs sunlight to change. Maybe it needs you to do something self-care wise, or maybe it needs you to do an energy technique on it. Right now you're just collecting information. If you can make the changes now, great. If you can't, that's okay too. Just ask what you need to make those changes. Is there anything within your energy that is waiting to deliver a message to you? Sometimes you'll see little spots in your energy, or maybe even little beings, if you want to call them, things that maybe look like a worm or something like that. They're trying to get your attention because they have a message for you, something your energy would like you to do or like you to know. These are your intuitive messages. Can be a spirit guide trying to show you, give you an answer, or an angel trying to tell you something. So look for those spots in your energy, see if you can find anything that there's to deliver a message, and ask if it's time for you to receive the message. Sometimes, as they're there, they're waiting to give you the message at the appropriate time, or they're waiting to have a conversation with you at the best time. Right now might be the best time, it might not. Just ask. You can also ask them if they're actually meant to be in your energy. If not, then you can ask them to leave. Maybe the message is no longer appropriate for you. Maybe you missed your time frame and it needs permission to leave because it doesn't serve you any longer. All right, we're going to pull that energy all back into your ball in your safe space so that we can re-enter your body. So just bring your energy back into a ball. You can use the breathing technique into the edges, out as you contract. Or you can just ask your energy to go back to where it was so that you can go back into that ball form. Whichever works best for you. And now we're going to breathe into that ball of energy. We're going to leave our safe space. We're going to bring our energy and ourself, our mind, body, emotions, spirit, soul, all back into your body, into the soul spot to your body. We're going to allow everything to return into the body where it belongs. We're going to merge and integrate the body and soul together fully in energy. And now we're going to breathe into that energy ball, into your soul spot, and breathe out to the edges of your body, letting your energy expand to where it needs to go within your body with your energy field. All right, I'm going to count from 1 to 10. I just want you to take a deep breath in and out with each count. We're just reintegrating you fully back into your body with these breaths and allowing yourself to come back into full awareness with your consciousness. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. All right, you can open your eyes when you feel ready. Take a few minutes if you need it. This is a great technique to know where your energy is at and what needs to be fixed, and to help just know who you are and what you need, where you're at.